Hello and good evening. This is Technical Indicator from the Penny Stock Express. You can watch this video in high definition. Just expand and select 720p in your YouTube settings just below the chart. I'm going to break down PCFG. Been on this one for quite some time. It's doing very well and there's no reason for me to believe it will not continue. Basically what we have here in August is a break above the MA20. Anytime you're above the MA20 or the middle Bollinger Band, this blue line, it's considered to be an uptrend. The stock pulls back a couple of times off of that area, and traders accumulate shares and they play the next run. You can see that it had a really nice accumulation period right here off of this double top. Remember, we did an ascending triangle pattern right here where we put our top trend line at 0.026. We had two reaction highs and we had two reaction lows. Shares coiled and then it popped to the upside, and within several days we had a really big run. Since the stock has pulled back, you have 5 selling days in a row. You can see that right down here. Now the sellers have exited their positions, and today we saw a bull bear struggle with some buyers taking control. Now again, the last time shares accumulated, you can see how light the volume was in comparison to your buying days. Okay, so this selling has declined and you have this light volume again. I could be a couple of days off on this chart, but I am inclined to say that I think PCFG will be trading back up around 5 to 7 this week at some point. Your keys are this: make sure it holds support here at the MA20. All you have to do is watch your intraday chart. If you're trading penny stocks, you should definitely keep your eyes on the charts, intraday specifically. All right, hold support here at the MA20. You've got some 0.35 and then 0.32 support. After that, you probably get pretty slippy down in through here, so you don't want to test those areas. Okay, possibly 26 range. But I think what we're going to see is an accumulation pattern where we start to make some higher lows, or it's just going to pop here in the next couple of days. That's my gut. We'll go over the equity feed account. You can get a better view of the chart here. This is going to be 2 months, 1-day candlestick chart on PCFG. All right, take a look at the price action here. See that accumulation pattern right there where the stock is playing that MA20 quite nicely on the other chart? All right, and then you get the pop to the upside, 3 sideways days, and then another boom on it. All right, 5 selling days in a row, but now you get this doji right here at the bottom. All right, and when I say it's the bottom, it's because it's kind of fallen down to support right in through here. And usually what we'll see after a doji like this at the bottom is the buyers taking charge of the stock the next day. So if they do that, then there's a good chance PCFG will move back up. Still excellent dollar volume going in and out of the stock. Definitely room for you to trade your shares in and out. So day traders and swing traders welcome. Again, take a look at this accumulation. We're getting back into the same type of pattern. I may be a little bit early, but if I'm right, you'll see shares slightly increase off this MA20 and then pop to the upside, challenging 5 to 7 cents. And if we get above 7, it's in breakout territory. Of course, the MAC signal line has been crossed to the downside, which is a bearish pattern. That's obvious as a result of 5 selling days. I wouldn't be too concerned about that so long as we hold the MA20. The reason I say that, take a look right here where the signal line crossed after the nice little run that it had in through here. You had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 selling days, and then a signal line cross on the 5th day to the downside. I believe the 4th or 5th day to the downside. But then it popped back up after some accumulation. So that's what we're looking for again on this stock. RSI is holding above the 50 line. As long as it holds above that center line and turns back up, it's showing continued strength. So right now there's nothing on this chart that leads me to believe it's gone bearish. I believe that it's actually bullish and probably is going to pop off this support point in the next couple of days. Again, my name is Technical Indicator of the Penny Stock Express. That's the breakdown on PCFG this evening. Here is my full disclosure. Hopefully you will check us out over at the Express. I'll be breaking down another video chart in just a little bit. Take it easy, everybody.